Think about your resume for a second. Right now, it's likely doing the bare minimum. It literally sits there as a completely static PDF, just hoping someone, somewhere, actually takes the time to read it. It's passive. It waits to be noticed. And frankly, most are barely even skimmed. But what if we could change that? What if you could turn that exact same document into something that talks back? An interactive asset that answers a prospect's exact questions at 2 a.m., grounded entirely in your real projects, not just some generic AI guess.
And here is why this matters so much right now. 1 in 200. 1 in 200. That is the brutal reality of the application-to-interview ratio in today's market. You absolutely need a powerful way to close that gap before a human recruiter ever even opens your email.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the clear contrast between the old way and the new way. Traditional portfolios and resumes are entirely passive. They just wait. But by taking your case studies, your project notes, and your testimonials, and feeding them into a tool like Notebook LM, you create an active assistant, one that validates your skills instantly, completely on demand.
Picture this. It's midnight. You're sitting at your desk trying to finish a critical client proposal, and you're just staring at a chaotic folder of messy notes. We've all been there, right? Well, this workflow takes those scattered digital files and builds a private, searchable knowledge base. It creates an assistant that actually knows your business and your past projects better than you might even remember them yourself, which means one very important thing changes immediately.
For freelancers, this becomes your 24/7 salesperson that qualifies leads by answering specific process questions before you ever even book a call. For job seekers, it acts as a dedicated hiring coach, matching your skills against a job post to find exactly where you fall short. And for business owners, you can use it to transform dry manuals into an onboarding bot that answers new hire questions instantly, literally saving your team hours of searching.
So as a result, your personal data transforms into a permanent specialist asset. We aren't talking about a temporary chat history that just disappears when you close your browser. This is a self-service tool. The whole goal is to go from a stack of old, forgotten files to a shareable assistant that educates your prospects automatically. To put that into perspective, let me give you a very real, concrete example. One consultant uploaded exactly 5 healthcare case studies into their notebook. Just 5. They then asked the tool to identify which details from those 5 case studies would be most relevant to a specific hospital executive. So instead of just sending a generic link or a standard resume, they built a segment-specific version that emphasized only their healthcare work. It was a highly tailored pitch built in seconds.
So how do you actually execute this? It's incredibly straightforward. Step 1, you upload your samples, project documentation, and testimonials. Step 2, you prompt the tool to analyze which elements of those success stories fit a specific prospect type. And step 3, you generate a shareable link. You can embed this on your site or send it directly to your leads. It's a simple workflow, but it opens up something most users never even try to do.
So the crucial point is this reality check. The output is absolutely only as strong as the material you provide. When running this exact test on a 40-page compliance manual, one issue surfaced immediately. You can't expect magic if you put in weak documents. We want to be totally honest here and focus on reality, not hype.
Let's look at the pricing facts plainly. This core workflow we just talked about, it runs completely on the free tier. However, if you are a workspace user on business standard or higher, you do get access to plus features. Those paid features give you expanded limits for your notebooks and the number of document sources you can actually upload.
Now, this next part is a critical detail for anyone handling sensitive professional information. It is confirmed that Notebook LM's architecture is entirely source-grounded. That means it does not train its core models on your private data. It's built from the ground up to avoid the hallucinations that are so common in general-purpose chatbots.
However, it works incredibly well, right up until you reach this specific limit. It cannot handle real-time data. It can't connect to your live customer relationship management software, and it cannot see your live calendar. It only knows exactly what you have explicitly uploaded to it.
Building on that limitation, it also won't answer questions that fall outside of its designated scope. If a prospect asks about your specific availability next Tuesday or tries to enter into pricing negotiations, the assistant can't do that. Again, it relies entirely on the fixed documents you provided.
Which leads us to a very common beginner mistake. Please do not upload a thin, one-page generic resume and expect the AI to somehow invent impressive results that it has no evidence for. If you only feed it thin details, it's going to give your prospects thin answers. Before you get too comfortable with the idea of AI doing all the work, you have to consider the foundation.
And this brilliantly illustrates the new baseline for the job market: outcome-based portfolio framing. This means showing exactly what you built, exactly how you built it, and the measurable results you achieved. While it's speculation whether these interactive portfolios will become a mandatory requirement for all digital professionals, the overwhelming advantage is already clear right now.
The real game changer here isn't just the novelty of having a talking resume. The real value is that most people out there are still competing by sending those static, passive PDFs, while you are actively making your expertise completely self-service. You win in this market by making it easiest for a recruiter to get the right answer the absolute fastest. Are you still relying on a static PDF to pitch your skills? Or are you ready to build an interactive assistant that works for you 24/7? If this explainer gave you value, hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.